Hi. This week we're going to look at the financing of healthcare with a focus on these areas: reimbursement, cost drivers, and methods to contain cost. In your program of study, you will learn more about reimbursement in your coding classes. Cost containment will also be reviewed in greater depth in reimbursement methods. But as stated previously, the purpose of this course is to assist you in learning new terms and ideas and to introduce you to the many aspects and how healthcare delivery occurs. Financing is a large part of the HIM's professional job. There is a 15-minute YouTube video available this week, and it provides an excellent overview of all of your content from week 10, 11, and 12. I would recommend that you watch it because what I like about this video, it talks about why and what the impact of legislation has done in healthcare. It also covers a bit of the public law which established the DRG system, which I know your PowerPoints did and that we talked about, but this video really sums it up nice and in a lecture. And it's done by a nurse who's been there as long as I have, seen it all, done it all, but remembers when this legislation went into effect. So please watch it. I will say that if you watch that video, it will really help with your final activity in this course and one of the questions that you'll be asked to do. This week also, you're going to be introduced to standardized code sets. And code sets are a common language in which healthcare data is collected and presented. The use of code sets are required by the federal government. And as a future HIM professional, you will use these code sets throughout your daily job. Basically, the code sets you use are going to be your coding classification systems, which you're going to learn next semester. So this week you have 2 discussion questions, 2 assignments. Please let me know if you have any questions. But again, make sure you watch that video. It's really good. It's only 15 minutes long. Thanks. Bye.